Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. I am so excited to do this video today because this video is sponsored by Merit. So in case you guys haven't heard of Merit before, their whole vision is basically less is more. So very minimalistic makeup and very natural. They're also vegan, cruelty-free, and a lot of their products don't have all the nasty, unnecessary ingredients, right? So they're very, very clean. And another plus is that their packaging is very, very recyclable. So I am so happy that this video is being sponsored by them. They did send me a few products and I did use them to test them out first and see like how I could do like this natural quick makeup look, because I've been meaning to do one for the longest time and I didn't think like which product should I use and everything like that. So this line, this whole collection basically like takes the guesswork out of it. You have your foundation, you can use as a concealer as well depending on the shade, of course. You have your lip oils, the blush, and all that stuff. So I'm going to demonstrate that for you and incorporate some other products in there as well, because sometimes you want to have a little bit of contour or like some setting sprays and powders and so forth, right? But if you are really in a pinch to go out, then you can just stick to these products right here. So enough rambling. Before we get started with the video, I highly suggest you hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and give this video a thumbs up if you love Merit and what it stands for. And also don't forget to follow me on my social media handle right here, and let's get started. Okay, you guys, so I'm just gonna scooch a little bit of this over right here. So I done my skincare and everything like that, and what I need to do is get out of the house because somebody is very hungry right now, so I need to get this done quickly. So luckily this is the perfect video for it. Right now it is 12:20, so normally you could get this done in about like 10 minutes or less, but because I'm gonna be talking a little bit, it might drag on a little bit longer. So if I wasn't talking, then yes, it would've been great. So I'm going with the Merit foundation in shade Khaki. This is the Perfecting Complexion Stick. So with this, you don't really need too much of it. It's just whatever you need to cover up. So now I'm gonna go in with their blending brush, and you can see that blend. And of course, this is supposed to be a quick, natural look. So of course, you can still have some of your skin peeking through because this is a natural look again. So the founder, Catherine Powers, she didn't like all the toxins that are in like complexions and everything like that. And I mean, like, she does have a point, because we're putting all this stuff on our skin and in terms of skincare and makeup, and you know what, like our skin does absorb it. So if there's any toxins in there, and obviously our skin's going to absorb the toxins. Also, I just want to note that I did not put any primer on because, you know, I'm not really in the mood for that. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of contour. So I'm going with the Westman Atelier in contour stick in shade Truffle, and just give a little bit of a contour. Now give a little bit of a sunken cheek look. And I'm gonna go in with the Anissa Beauty buffing brush just to buff that in a little bit. So the whole line is all minimalistic beauty, and you don't need that much, especially like if you just want to like quickly just have a natural look, or just like, again, in a pinch, you just want to like get out of the door. This is great for someone like that, because sometimes I want to like look done up but not really done up. So now I'm gonna go on blush. This is the Beverly Hills. This is the cheek color, and what I just do is, I like how this one is small because it's more, you can hold on to it a lot better, and for travel purposes too, because sometimes with cream blushes, it's just a little bit much. So I'm just gonna blend that out very quickly. So again, like this whole line, very minimal, less is more, and I do like that concept because sometimes it's less is more. The glam is nice and all, but sometimes there are days where it's just like, I just want to look like me, right? There are just days like that. So I just tapped it on very quickly, and then I go in back with the brush just to kind of like blend it out a little bit, just a smidge. And right now I'm gonna go in with a concealer just to brighten up the under eyes a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with the Kosas Revealer Concealer just to just a little bit right there. I'm gonna go in with their brow product right here. So I am not much of a brow like brush type of person because I got my brows done and I usually just fill them in with pencil, but this kind of gives me more of a fuller natural look, and I'm just like, I'm kind of digging it a little bit. And most of the other ones that I've used, they made my eyebrow hair like so stiff and so crunchy. I was just like, ew. So that's why I kind of steered away from it for however long. Every time I see it, I was like, I kind of want to use it, but then it's just kind of gross feeling, and you can feel that it's just stuck together like glue, and I just hated it. So when I tried this one, I was like, wow, like it does not feel like that. I was really impressed because I was going in with the thought of, oh my gosh, my brows are gonna look all stiff and gonna feel all like matted down and glue-like, but no, not at all. And this gives just the right amount of color as well. But of course, if you want to deepen up a little bit, you can, and you can see the difference. This is a little bit more fuller, a little bit darker compared to this side. So just so you guys know, this is the Brow 1990 and this is the Pomade Gel. So what I saw Catherine Powers do is that she brushes her hairs downwards and then goes up. And this is quite buildable as well, which is great. And even when you build it up, you won't have like that nasty, like crispy eyebrow feeling, which is wonderful. I was like, oh my god, finally a product that doesn't do that. So just so you guys know, right now it is 12:28. So I've been doing this for 8 minutes now. And like I said, you could have done this a lot quicker, but because I am talking and explaining and doing other things at the same time, it's just gonna run a little bit longer, just a smidge. So sometimes with me, because I don't have like full brow hairs, some of the product is gonna end up on my brow bone. So I'm just gonna take some micellar water and just clean it up a little bit. Taking my Anissa Beauty concealer brush. I love this. If you guys haven't watched that video already, why haven't you? And this in combination with the Kosas concealer, it really gives like a nice brightening effect, like you can tell. Right? It just blends like a dream. It covers like a dream. Oh my gosh, like everything's just great. So it took me a while just to kind of like figure out like how I should do natural makeup, because like it's either I go glam or I don't wear makeup at all. I never did the whole natural looking makeup. I was like, it was so hard to kind of like incorporate that, but here we are. If you want, you can contour your nose as well, but I'm not really wanting to contour my nose too much really today. Okay, so everything is blended. My eyes look lifted. So I did the brows, I did that, and next is mascara. Now, I'm not bashing the brand or anything, so I'm gonna use their mascara, but because my eyelashes, they tend to just droop down every single time I use like other mascaras, I have to go in with my primer first and then apply this. And again, it's not because of merit or anything like that, it's just how my eyelashes are. And I'm pretty sure other people out there are on the same page as well, or like experience what I experienced. It's just like whatever mascara you use, and even after you curl it, it just droops down afterwards. So I have to use a primer just to keep my lashes up, which is kind of annoying, but you know, it is what it is. At least there is a solution for it. So just to continue talking about the clean beauty side of it, there are a lot of ingredients in like other brands or other products that disrupt like the hormones, and Catherine, she didn't like that idea, the fact that like whatever we're putting on our face or whatever we're ingesting, basically, that it's just disrupting us, right? So this is why she created Merit with all the clean ingredients that actually look gorgeous, by the way. By the way, have you guys ever tried Merit before? I've seen like on like these obviously selling on Sephora. So when I saw the products and like some of the reviews, I saw a lot of good things about it. So let me know if you guys have ever tried it before. If you have, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to use my link, which I should have said at the beginning of this video, but I didn't. So I do have a affiliate link. I do make a small commission out of it. Your support would be very, very helpful if you guys are interested in trying Merit products. I love it. Like, I've been using it for like weeks now, and guys, as much as I would like to leave the house with no makeup, there are days where I'm just like, you know, just want to zhuzh it up a little bit, right? So if you guys are interested and love clean makeup, cruelty-free, vegan, definitely check them out and use my link down below in the description and you can get 10% off. Help a girl out, you know? So I'm just gonna do my bottom lashes. I'm gonna cut like this part out of it because it's nothing interesting. All right, it's time to go in with the mascara, and it's actually quite big. So this is the Clean Lash Lengthening Mascara, and just so you guys see, this is what the wand looks like. I'm just gonna scooch in a little bit just so you guys can see what's going on. My hair. I wish I brought some clips here, but I didn't. And I got some mascara on my lids, but that's okay. We will clean that up shortly. Like, it definitely has some lengthening effect. Like, it's really, really nice. You guys see that? Also, if I'm blocking the way, I do apologize. Like, this gives enough oomph to show that like your lashes are there. So what I do is just like wiggle and turn, wiggle and turn. Also, you have a choice if you want to tight line your eyes a little bit as well. I'm not going to do that. I know some people that do, just to make their lash line look more fuller. Like, do you guys see like this nice effect that it has? Like, ugh. Okay, so before I continue, I'm gonna clean this up a little bit because I got mascara all over the dang place. So just so you guys know, the time is now 12:37. We started at 12:20, so it took us a little bit longer, but like I said, I have extra steps in mind. If you're really in a pinch, you don't need to do the steps that I'm doing. Just gonna clean up the brows a little bit just because I want them slightly more defined. So I'm just gonna clean that up and I'll be right back. Okay, so last thing I need to do is just set my under eyes right here. So where is my powders? So I blend it on my under eye just to be sure that the fine lines aren't settled in. So I'm going in with CoverGirl. This is the Instant Wrinkle Blurring Pressed Powder. And this is in the shade 225 Buff Beige. So like that, tap off the excess, and also, I should be setting for the rest of my face too. Why did I just say under eyes? What's wrong with me? I'm going on with the Hourglass translucent powder to set the rest of my face, just to give it a nice kind of glow, but set the face obviously. And the brush I'm going to use is the Anissa Beauty brush. It's their multi-powder brush. Just set the face. Set the face. So the time now is 12:41. I got ready in about 20 minutes, but of course, this is me talking. So this is their Tinted Lip Oil in shade Au Naturel. And it is so hydrating, and look at this color, you guys. It's pigmented enough, but not too pigmented where it's like overwhelming. And I can't talk while doing this, so give me a second. Like, look at that. It is so nice and natural. It doesn't overwhelm whatsoever. They do have other shades, of course, but I gravitate to natural looking right now. Oh, especially when like I'm barely doing anything on my face. So anyways, you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I need to get ready and like change and go out for well, for lunch right now, because someone is a little bit hungry. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys really want to try out the Merit products, check out the description down below, the affiliate link. And again, I do make a small commission out of it. If you guys do end up buying something, it would help me so much. And your support for all my videos has been, I can't, like I really can't. So your support again would really help. If you guys are interested, click on the link below. And anyways, again, I need to get changed. So before you guys leave, make sure you check out these other 2 videos right here if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.